Hey everyone, it's bananas and potatoes. Wait, bananas and potatoes. Hello. Alright, and we're back for more playthrough for beginners. Woo! Alright, so Tess give us an HM. If you have a flying type, that's good. Boost it up. It contains fly, shoots, teach, whatever Pokemon flying type that you have. Safeguard. Yes. Ta-da! So, and you learn fly. So, a Pokemon that learns fly, you click on this. Ta-da! We have to go back to the caves again. Or, you can go to the other shortcut. Antonin City, and the caves are both at an auction. Alright, I don't want to go the wrong way. Oh, I went the wrong way. So we have to go right here. Alright, amigos. Bye. There's Arceus statue. That's not real. Alright, so talk to this guy. Would you like to ride into Call Speak? Let's go! Whee! See? Told you. It goes to, so you see this building? Let's go up the stairs. Up the stairs to heaven. Alright. Yeah, let's go inside. You can talk to this lady if you want. I don't want to talk to the lady. So, you have a Sky Pass. Talk to this guy. Welcome to Skyrim. May I see your training pass? Great. Which one? So, choose route 11. Here we are. The route 11. Use. Okay, use hoverboard, that will go quicker. If I ran into a Pokemon trainer, that is my fault. Barely my fault. I only have one repel. How am I supposed to go there? Alright, we're almost there. That took so quick than I expected. Alright, we're here. This is where you go to the Pokemon Center. Oh, I see your Pokemon. Alright. So, before going to, like, the gym, you have to go quickly attack. Seriously. This is not the way. I'm so sorry, guys. That goes leads to Route 12. Why? Why me? Alright. This is the real gate. Thank you, sorry guys. Here we are. Okay, there's a Pokemon! Alrighty. Pokemon! Oh, Pokemon trainer. We gotta catch every Pokemon in this world. Yahoo! That was one not taking this drill back. Oh, these Team Eclipse Grunts has a girlfriend. You will give back no. Things will get real ugly for you guys. Oh no, what's the big bad prince gonna do? Heh, you have no power over us. I warn you fairly. I will hand out first by force. Punks. Oh, hello, young trainer. What is this term? Surprise! You're calling goons! Wow. It's this in your punks artifact. I know. You already said that. I'll take it from here. This can't be. We given them. Alright, here's a quicker way. Whoops, I opened up my Pokedex. Okay, here's the quick way. Pokemon Fate 2. You go 5. Alright, let's go to the Pokemon Gym now. Since it is open. There it is. Okay. Up the stairs. So, the 5th gym is basically you have to dig underground to find the gym leader. Oh no. Guys, I forgot to say, basically you have to battle the Pokemon trainer to get a shovel. Then you dig up and you can find another trainer that has a pickaxe. Then you can find the gym leader. I defeated the gym leader. So the gym leader is somewhere down there. So now, let's go. Bye. So you need a Pokemon you have to teach. A Pokemon. Rock Smash. Actually, never mind. I already have a Pokemon that learns Rock Smash. So, there you go. Let's go this way, guys. Oh, 1 sec. Before we go there, we're gonna heal our Pokemon. Alright. We're going to Route 12. Alright. Route 12. I recognize those hands. Ooh, I hate hands. Oh, I hate. Alright, so. Would you like to ask? Sometimes there's, like, Pokemon rocks. No Pokemon. Alright. Oh, Pokemon. Alrighty, let's go to an adventure. Oh no, Pokemon going on it. Oh no, I failed. Alrighty then, let's go. No Pokemon. No Pokemon. Alrighty then, let's go. Alright, let's go. Pokemon, no. Oh no, Pokemon. Alrighty. Let's go on a trip with the favorite flying through these guys. The lights on. I see a trainer. Alright, into the cave we go, guys. Guys, I forgot the repel Pokemon. Now it's our destiny to be becoming a Pokemon master. Oh no, Pokemon. Alrighty then. Oh, Pokemon. Skip the trainer. Oh, Poke. Alright, let's go. Ah! No. Pokemon trainer. Alright. Oh. Welcome to Floroma City, guys. Always hear your Pokemon first, please and thank you. So where's the Floroma gym? Right over here. Guys, guys, this is the gym. So here's how it works. So you have to get all the fruits and then carry them to the bucket. So let's go get the orange first, alright? The Pokemon trainer's there. Oh well. Alright. I'm gonna carry the orange. There you go. You can build the bridges if you like to. Second, we're gonna get the apple. There's a lady, and I'm busted. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Get it? Yeah. Alright. I see a grape. I want to put it in the bucket. Alright, there's a scrap. I see a trainer. It won't be escape. Oh, Pokemon trainer. Alrighty. There's a banana. I want to get the banana. Put it in the bucket. Guys, banana! That's my name. The kid banana is carrying a banana. Alright. Let's battle that trainer over there. Sorry, lady.